Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fidget toys can be a handy thing to keep around for moments of stress and anxiety. While there's some debate over how well they work, there's no evidence that they'll make your symptoms worse, so they're worth a shot if you're interested in them.
Let's help you make your mark.
The toy has been promoted as helping people who have trouble focusing or those who may need to fidget to relieve nervous energy, anxiety, or psychological stress. There are claims that a fidget spinner can help calm down people who have anxiety and other neurological disorders like ADHD and autism.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Restlessness. While restlessness does not occur in all people with anxiety, it is one of the red flags doctors frequently look for when making a diagnosis. If you experience restlessness on the majority of days for more than 6 months, it may be a sign of an anxiety disorder. 9.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What are the causes of fidgeting? Mild fidgeting appears to be caused by inattention. Serious fidgeting can be caused by conditions such as attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and restless leg syndrome, RLS.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It distracts your mind according to Roland Rotz and Sarah D. Wright, authors of the book Fidget to Focus. Outwit your boredom. Sensory strategies for living with ADHD. Fidgeting may prevent your mind from being occupied by obsessive and unhealthy thoughts.
Let's help you make your mark.
Additionally, even students who said they liked the toys and found them helpful suffered memory impairment, stated the Hechinger report. The report also found a German study from January 2019, which stated fidget spinners and doodling impaired memory.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.